Mudita Concepts Technology Tips. In Microsoft Excel 2016 or 365, here is a quick tip on how to transpose rows and columns. You may be given a list of data, name, province, and town that runs across the columns like that, but you may prefer to present it in this format, down the rows. Let me show you how to do this in a couple of quick, easy steps. In your Excel spreadsheet, here is the data that you've been presented. What you can do is select all the data you'd like to transpose. You click on Copy. Then you find the place where you'd like to paste it. And you click on the drop-down link for Paste. Drop right down to Paste Special. And then over here you will find a button that says Transpose. Click on that. Click OK. And immediately you can see your data, identical data, is now presented down the rows instead of across the columns. How quick and easy is that? Look out for more Mudita Concepts technology tips.